The sea is beautiful, isn't it? These terms of the territorial sea or territorial waters are sometimes used informally as well to describe where countries have jurisdiction, including internal waters, extended zones, exclusive economic zones, and potential continental platforms. And the width of the river may extend to a maximum of 12 nautical miles or up to 25 miles from the seabed.
There are four classifications of the sea. The first is territorial sea, from 0 up to 12 miles from the baseline.
Allowed for fishing. Indonesian citizen can fish without a permit. Foreign citizen can fish with a permit from the Ministry of Marine Affairs and Fisheries. Prohibited for fishing. Using destructive fishing gear, such as fish bombs, fish potion, and tiger net. Fishing in protected areas, such as National Marine Park.
The second is contiguous zone, from 12 up to 24 miles from the baseline.
The third is exclusive economic zone or as now as is easy from 24 up to 200 miles from the baseline. Allowed for fishing. 1. Indonesian citizens can fish with a permit from Marine Affairs and Fisheries. 2. Foreign citizens can only fish with a two states cooperation agreement. 3. Fishing permits in the EEZ are very selective and are only given for certain types of fish and with strict quotas. Point 2. Prohibited from fishing, same as territorial waters and the contiguous zone. Number 4. Continental shelf. Point 1. Allowed for fishing for research and development only. 2. Prohibited for fishing. Commercial activities, including fishing, are not allowed on the continental shelf. The Rio Islands, consisting of more than 3,000 islands, are surrounded by waters rich in marine biodiversity. The potential fishery resources in this region make it a target for illegal fishing practices that damage the ecosystem and threaten the survival of various fish species. Therefore, the issue of illegal fishing in the Rio Island is not only an environmental and economic problem, but also involves national security. These are most commonly caught and not prohibited fish: grouper, red snapper, mackerel, and pomfret. And these are protected or threatened species. Some species may be protected or threatened, and fishing is prohibited or restricted. For example, fishing for manta rays or sharks of certain types and size may be prohibited. In addition to Law Number 45 of 2009, the Minister of Fisheries also reinforced these provisions by issuing Minister of Marine Affairs and Fisheries Regulation Number 2 of 2015 on trawling. This was done in response to the need to further regulate and supervise the use of certain fishing gear, in this case trawlers. This regulatory improvement proves the government's commitment to protecting fish resources and suppressing illegal fishing practice.
In order to maintain the sustainability of fish wealth, another marine research, Law Number 45 of 2009, concerning fisheries stipulates strict provisions. One aspect that is the focus is fish research management policy. The Minister of Fisheries is assigned to determine several matters relating to the type, number, size of fishing gear, and placement of fishing aids, requirements or standards for fishing operational procedure, fishing vessel monitoring systems, type of fish that are prohibited from being traded, enter and issue to and from the territory of the Republic of Indonesia, as well as protect fish species.
To protect the vast sea area, Indonesia has 7 law enforcement agencies that have patrol task force at sea. These law enforcement agencies include the TNI Navy, the Polri Directorate of Marine Police, Ministry of Transportation Directorate General of Hubla, Ministry of Marine Affairs and Fisheries, Directorate General of PSDKP, Ministry of Finance, Directorate General of Customs, Bakamla, and the Illegal Fishing Eradication Task Force, or we could say Task Force 115. The 7 law enforcement agencies carry out patrols related to security at sea, sectorally in accordance with their authority based on their respective laws and regulations. Through Bakamla, the state is present at sea in carrying out guarding, supervision, prevention, and even prosecution of violations of the law in Indonesian waters and Indonesia jurisdictions. Various functions are carried out by Bakamla in carrying out its duty to carry out security and safety patrols in Indonesian waters and Indonesian jurisdictional areas.
Know
Our sis.
and
Uphold justice.
in
Our sis.
Bye-bye.
Make it berarti kita kayak mana? Kita apa aja yang ini? Kita belum kepencet.